What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the Galaxy A50 in the building. It's a new series of devices that Samsung came out, and this device here is a $300 mid-range device, right? Has some unique features and all the bells and whistles. So we're gonna unbox it and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. As you can tell, I love doing this type of stuff. And follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's go to unbox the Galaxy A50. Again, the prices may vary. You might get this device mid $300. I've been seeing some price points under $300. So it is what it is. You got the A50, nice, beautiful packaging. When you take it off the top lid here, you get the phone itself. And then once you get inside the packaging, you got USB Type-C. Do you have headphones, which is nice. All right, then you get the 64 gig SD card, and you get your power adapter. All right, and let's see what else we get in here. All right, so it comes with a case, which is nice. It comes with a case, nice little rubber case there, so that's a good look. For $300, that's what I'm talking about. So you get a case and all the bells and whistles. Let's put this to the side and let's get to the meat of the show. So you got the Galaxy A50. Let's take it out of the package. All right, so let's take a look at this. Ooh, man, look at that. All right, that is nice. All right, so I'm going to boot up the device and I'm going to show you guys some short clips on the body design of this phone. So check this out. As you can see, this phone is gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous, right? All right, so let's go and talk about the specs. You got a 6.4 inch 1080p display. You got two versions of this device here. You could get this device at 64 gigs of internal storage, or you could get it at 128 internal storage. You could get 4 or 6 gigs of RAM in here. You got the Exynos 9610. You got a 4,000 milliamp battery in here. And on the rear, all right, so we have 3 cameras here. You have a 25 megapixel 1.7 aperture. You have an 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2.2 aperture. Then you have a 5 megapixel depth sensor 2.2 aperture. And then on the front, you got a whopping 25 megapixel camera. So you got some modes here. You got 1080p 30. You do not have 4K on here, but it's all good. You got FM radio, you got Type-C and all that stuff like that. So let's go down and go over the device real fast. Got tap to wake, you got the fingerprint scanner on deck, right? We got the in-display fingerprint scanner, all right? Let's see. Not the fastest, but it'll do. All right, so let's go. On the right side, you got your power button, up and down volume button. On the top, you have a mic. On the side here, you have dual SIM support here. All right, so you got the SIM card in this dual SIM support, and at the bottom, you got USB Type-C headphone jack, and you have a single speaker. All right, and you have One UI running on Android 9.0. You don't have no bloatware on this because this is not a carrier device. So out of the box, this is what you're going to see. That's it. I haven't loaded up anything here, so it's all good. All right, so let's talk about these cameras. All right, so we got 3 cameras here. Let me go ahead and put real quick a camera sample between the Galaxy A50 and the Galaxy S10. Let me show you a short clip. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is a short clip of the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy A50. I want y'all guys to see this. I'm gonna have a full camera review coming for both of these devices. Actually, for the A50, since it's a new kid on the block, I'm gonna have all coverage of this device going against other devices. But I want to give you guys a really quick short clip of these two devices together in action, so y'all guys can kind of see which one is better. As you know that the Galaxy S10 is Samsung flagship, but the A50 is a new kid on the block, just came out, and it's supposed to be a real budget version of a Galaxy device. Has a beautiful design, has all the bells and whistles, but you be the judge for yourself. Look at this. Now, it cannot shoot in 4K. It can only shoot at 1080p, but that's okay. The price is a whole lot different from the Galaxy S10. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio between both of these devices, and you be the judge for yourself. We're looking at both of these cameras, but looking at the viewfinder, there's some differences. Look at that. Wow. We gonna get deep in depth with both of these devices, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's look at this display here. Right now I'm playing a 4K video. This is a 1080p display, and as you can see, it's absolutely amazing. Look how beautiful that display is. That is nice. Beautiful is nice. All right, and let's go and see if we can crank that up to 1080p. All right, because that was 720p at the moment, so I just cranked it up to 1080p. So one of the questions you guys may ask, does it support all GSM carriers? And that's yes. I am going to put a T-Mobile SIM in here as do SIM support, but I'm gonna put a T-Mobile SIM in here so y'all guys can see that it does work on T-Mobile. So there it is. You got your SD card, you got your dual SIM. I do have a T-Mobile SIM here. All right, so let me put the T-Mobile SIM in and reboot the device so y'all guys can see the T-Mobile sign on top of the device. All right, so I put the SIM card in SIM 2, but you can put it in SIM 1 or SIM 2, and it does support voice over LTE on this one. All right, so that's a good thing. A lot of people ask those questions. Yes, it does support voice over LTE, so y'all guys can see that. Voice over LTE, so you do have Wi-Fi calling and voice over LTE, so that's a good thing. I got further coverage with this device, so stay tuned and subscribe. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy A50 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna rock this out. Hey, hold on a second. Before I leave out of here, let's put the case on. Hold on a second. Let's put the case on. Let's see how she looks with the case on. Yeah, let's put that on. Okay. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. Nice. Peace.